Okay. Opening presents day 1. Oh. From Daddy. Oh, gee. What is it?
Grandma has one of these.
Oh, you can color.
And Grandma has one of them.
Got it, Fo?
Yes, Grandma does. Grandma has one of these.
Do you want to use it? You want to color right now at the table?
Yeah.
What is it, Sophie?
It's like Fiona.
Yeah, you can color it.
It's Princess.
You got it? Oh, stapled. Oh.
This is mine.
Yep, hold on. I'll help you open it. What do you say to Daddy?
I love you, Daddy, so much.
Sophie, you got anything to say to Daddy?
Love you so much.
Aw, that's very cute.
I love you, Daddy, so much. I'm not crying.